So I am doing part 2 of this journey. So let's just go over here. Oh crap. So I ended up, let's just go over here. By the way, why were you lagging so damn hard? Like at the beginning. Like actually though. Like damn. Anyways, oh look, it's a heart shaped. That's the bond between me and you. Anyways, it's true though. I love all my fans. I would literally fucking die for them. And the people who use my channels to help with stress or anxiety, thank you for watching, and thank you for having your emotions being calmed by me. I don't know. So yeah. We can't go any further, so that's just the end of my series, I guess. I'll just talk to you guys about my channel for like 2 minutes or so. So my gender is female. I live in a house with 2 cats, and that's it. 2 cats, and yeah, my family members. Not gonna say my address because, you know, obvious reasons. And my YouTube channel is filled with nature videos, which are my first ever videos, and some silly videos, and don't ask why I'm in Jeremy's right now. And yeah, emoji cat videos, and just edits, and you know. Oh, what was that? What? Can you guys hear that? Anyways, there's some stuff in that woods, like mooses and, you know. Anyways, that's kind of it. Oh yeah, and look at the horizon. So nice. So nice. Alright, see you guys.